Yes! Awesome! That's awesome! The fire siren. Woo! First time I've ever caught it on video going off. I was just right over there when it started going off. Right over where those cars are parked. And I started flying over here. Here comes fire truck. It's a tanker. Here it comes. Awesome! I was probably about right here when the siren started going off, when I heard it cranking up. So I was on my bike and I just started flying to right over there, about the end of the fence right there. Oh my god, I almost missed it going off. It was kind of in the middle of its second cycle going off. Oh my god, that was so awesome. I was not expecting that. That was probably one of the most epic things I've ever caught. I was so excited. I was not expecting the second fire truck there. That was so awesome. If anybody knows the model of Siren, comment down below. But yeah, that was so epic. I was not expecting that.